Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Yes, it is mid-July and I'm wearing a sweatshirt here in Wisconsin. That's because our weather sucks. Today we're gonna go ahead and install a Amazon tonneau cover. Eric got this tonneau cover off Amazon. What was it, 200 bucks?
Yeah, it was about 200.
So about $200. We're gonna see if it's good or not. My tonneau cover I have on my truck. I got off a marketplace. It has like one rip on it. It's an Access tonneau cover. It's a great tonneau cover. I really like it a lot, but I'm very interested to see how his tonneau cover holds up, what all comes with the kit. So let's go ahead, open this up, take a look at it, and get it installed. So I will leave a link in the description for this below. It's called a Tyger tonneau cover. Never heard of it before, never seen one. We just checked, it's $220. You can't really go wrong with it for $220 if you're looking for a cheap tonneau cover. So initially off the bat, I think the reason why it is $220 is because the rails are actually plastic. If it's a good solid plastic, that's really no issue at all, to be honest with you. Mine are aluminum, and if they were plastic, you wouldn't really tell the difference. So maybe if you slam something down on it, which seems to happen occasionally for some people on Marketplace, and I don't know why people are slamming shit down on the top of their tonneau covers, there's no reason why these won't hold up. I will be interested to see how well they hold up come winter. If they crack or not, we'll see. We don't know until it gets cold out. Next thing is these are actually kind of cool. The nylon nut sits in this little channel here, and all you have to do is just tighten this down, and that nylon nut will stay in place for you. Goes here, sits in the channel kind of like that. Very simple to do, very straightforward. Again, the reason why I'm making this video and not just slapping it on there is because the fact that it's an Amazon tonneau cover, I really want to see what the final product looks like, and I want to see the quality of the actual material itself once it's all installed. Let's go ahead and get started on this. So all we got is a 10mm socket and a Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and hit that like button if you support the tonneau cover crew. Just had a conversation about that, whether you should get a topper or a tonneau cover. I myself and Eric are a big fan of tonneau covers. I get the toppers, but man, to me sometimes they're kind of a pain. Leave a comment below if you like a topper or if you like a tonneau cover. All right, so there's little screws here underneath with this little divot here, and all you do is slide that in there.
Now you can adjust this plate in and out with this screw,
and then you tighten it with this screw. So unlike mine has like a front plate that goes up here that bolts the bed. Once you get those screws tightened down, all you're gonna do is line it up with the front here, and then you can start putting on your clamps. So now that we got that on, to adjust your tightness of the tonneau cover, we're gonna have to adjust it, or Eric's gonna have to adjust it over time as it heats up, stretches, shrinks, and stuff like that. But right here, you got two Phillips screws, and you got some lines. You basically just slide it to adjust your tension. Just kind of play with it a little bit. When you install a brand new one, you want it to be able to bake in the sun so that's nice and stretchy for you. This is brand new, it's not baked, so it's pretty tight. So he will, once it loosens up, he's gonna have to tighten that back some. All right, so you get what you pay for. It's $200, $220. Tyger is the brand name. Now, if you're not looking for, you know, a $600, $500, $400, whatever dollar tonneau cover, I got my tonneau cover for like $100, $150 off Marketplace. Eric could not find a single tonneau cover available on Marketplace, so that's why he went ahead and got this. He plans on up. It's gonna do the job. It's all right. I mean, it's all plastic, so that's why it's $200 some. Yeah, we'll see how it holds up through the winter. We'll see how it holds up through the rest of the summer. He might not even have this one on through the winter. He might get a different one. But for right now, it's not bad. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want it.
Good enough for the paperweight.
Yeah, it's good enough for the paperweight. I probably wouldn't advise on getting it, to be honest with you guys. Just kind of keep your eye out on your local marketplace. Go ahead, stay tuned for Wednesday's video. We're gonna be debadging Eric's truck completely. Probably gonna be another gloomy day. We've got a couple gloomy days here after all this rain we got in Wisconsin. So stay tuned for that. Have yourselves a great night, and we'll see you then.